to 165 pounds. Here in the third place duel between 13th ranked Ohio State and 11th ranked Oklahoma. Apparently it's the Buckeyes in command, 17-4 for Oklahoma. In the Crimson and Cream, it'll be Clark Glass. Redshirt freshman out of the wrestling factory that is Brandon, Florida, the Tampa region of the state. Taking on Joe Grandominico, senior out of Westerville, Ohio. Guy that's been around the Buckeye program.
Wrestling on map 2 for Ohio State.
He's been a spot starter when he's been needed. He's bumped up a weight. He's taken some beatings from some of wrestling's best. Has the opportunity to start this year and been very serviceable. He's not exactly a liability in that lineup at all. Right now Glass trying to swim through. Trying to get Oklahoma back in this duel. Still nothing yet. Glass still trying to cut that corner. Drags it back in on the leg. Glass not going to give up this position very easily. You can see the trainer out there giving him some instruction. And there's two as Glass finally finishes the flurry.
14th ranked Dylan Calcio for Cornell. Wrestling Danielle Zilberberg from Minnesota.
Glass trying a little 2-on-1 roll through tilt. Minute to go, first period. Gonna go try that tilt on the edge again. Gotta watch himself. Very rare that you would see a defensive fall in that position, but stranger things have happened. Riding time now up over a minute for Glass. Four-time high school state champion from Brandon is Clark Glass.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Grandominico going to start the second period in the down position. Again, trailing 2-0. Glass with over a minute and a half of riding time. We'll start in the top position. Goes claw ride. Spiral to the outside. Now with the near wrist. Grandominico tripoding up to his feet, lift and return. Glass now reaching across the body, going far wrist. Another lift and return for Glass. Not willing to give Grandominico any breathing room. Leg in, pressuring forward. Trying to hip over. Hip over with the cross face. Where the hips go, the body will follow. It's basic physics, folks. And that's how the second period's going to end, and Glass going to ride it out in its entirety. So still a 2-0 lead. That riding time is assured at this point. Glass looks over to his bench, says, I'm going to start down. And Glass quickly up and out to extend his lead now to 3-0. Glass in the center again. Grandominico looked chin whip there for a moment. Then thought better of it. And try to fight the position here. Glass looking cradle. Grandominico keeping his head up. Still trying to fight the position on the edge. And now we're off the mat surface, and we'll come up and get a fresh start. 5-0 lead for Clark Glass. Excuse me, 3-0. Scoreboard gave him a takedown without actually me confirming that.
Head in the way. Inside time. Fight for inside, Joe. Fight for inside.
Glass went double, switched off to the sweep. Grandominico whizzing in. Bar ankle, there's two more, so now it's 5-0.
49 seconds.
And now Glass going to show optional start and just let Grandominico up. He's got 40 seconds to try to work on a major decision. It's 5-1, 6-1 with riding time. He's going to need 2 takedowns here to do it. Grandominico going to fight with the underhook to the near side as they circle back toward the center. 20 to go. Glass going to go up underneath again. Grandominico tried to snap that front headlock down to a favorable position. Did not get anything going his way. There's a stall warning on Grandominico as Glass shoots in, as time will run out. So tack on a point for riding time. It'll be a 6-1 decision. And 3 more points on the board for Oklahoma for your winner at 165 pounds. Boomer Sooner, your winner, Clark Glass. Making the team score now 17-7.